Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 8, numbers from 21 to 50. Look at here, this is the bunch of 10 matchstick and these are 8 matchsticks. So total there are 18 matchsticks. So 10 plus 8, 80. Again 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 6 is 16. We had already learned the numbers from 11 to 20 in the previous semester. See, we had already learned 11 means 10 plus 1, 12 means 10 plus 2, 13 means 10 plus 3, 14 means 10 plus 4, 15 10 plus 5, 16 10 plus 6, 17 10 plus 7, 18 10 plus 8, 19 10 plus 9, and 20 10 plus 10. So this is the way. Here 10 means group of 10 and we called it 1 10. Okay. See, group of 10 is 1 10 and group of 1 एक एक का ग्रुप है उसको हम 1 1 बोलेंगे. So यहाँ पे देखो 10 plus 10, here is a 2 group of 10. So we call it 2 tens. 1 plus 1, that means we called it only 2 ones. The same concept we will use in this chapter number 8. In this chapter, we have to learn the numbers from 21 to 50. Okay, so look at here, group of 110. So we call it 110 and 4 ones. So 110, 4 ones is 14. 110 and 5 ones means 15. Here you have to draw the group of 10 matchsticks. 110, there is only one group of 10, so we called it 110. 2 ones, so 110 2 ones is 12. 2 tens, यहाँ पे कितने हैं 2 tens, that means you have to draw the 2 group of 10 matchsticks, and 0 ones means 0 means nothing. 2 tens 2 ones, so here is we have to take 2 group of tens and the 2 ones. So number is 2 to 22. 110, 9 ones. So it is 19. See, look at the next page. 2 tens. There are 2 group of 10 matchsticks and 5 ones. So 2 tens, 5 ones is 25. 3 tens. Now there are 3 groups of 10 tens. So 10, 20, 30. 3 tens and 3 ones. So 3, 3, 33. Here is 4 groups of tens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 tens and 2 ones. So 4, 2, 42. 2 tens and 3 ones. So 2, 3, 23. 2 tens, 6 ones. So 2, 6, 26. 4 tens and 6 ones. So 4, 6, 46. 4 tens, 0 ones. So 4, 0, 40. Here, these are now 4 groups of tens. So we can say 4 tens. These are 3 groups of tens. So we can say 3 tens, 7 ones. So number is 3, 7, 37. 3 tens, 9 ones. Right? So we say 3, 9, 39. 4 tens, 6 ones. So we can say 4, 6, 46. Look at the next page, page number 106. Here you have to fill in the blanks, right? And the number from 21 to 30, 31 to 40 and 41 to 50 has been given, right? So let's begin with this. Here some things is missing, so you have to fill that missing things, right? Here is a 2 tens, 1 1 is 2 1 21. Fine. See, look at here. While we are writing the numbers in the notebook, we write down T and O above the numbers. So, where T is represent the tens and O is represent the ones place. Fine. So, we can easily find out. अगर वो ones place पे है तो हमें one stick draw करनी है. If it is a tens place पे blank है कहीं पे, so we have to draw the groups of 10. Okay, so that is the another thing, the way you will fill the blanks. Again, 2 tens, 2 ones, so number is 2 to 22, 2 tens, 3 ones, 23, 2 tens, 4 1 is 24, 2 tens, 5 ones is 25, 2 tens, 6 ones is 26. Here the 6 sticks are missing, so you have to draw the 6 sticks. 2 tens, 7 ones is 27. 2 tens, 8 ones is 28. 2 tens, 9 ones is 29. So here the number of matchsticks are missing over there. So you have to draw those matchsticks. Now, next line, 3 tens, 1 1, 31. 3 tens, 2 ones is 32. 3 tens, 3 ones is 33. 3 tens, 4 ones is 34. 3 tens, 5 ones is 35. 3 tens, 6 ones is 36. 3 tens, 7 ones is 37. 3 tens, 8 ones. See here is a 8 ones. So you have to draw 8 stick over here. यहाँ पे 3 tens था तो 3 groups of 10 बनाने के. And here is a 6 ones. So you have to draw 6 ones. 3 tens, 9 ones is 39. 3 tens, 1 ten. So 3 plus 1 is 4 tens total. So it is called 40. Next, the similar kind of blanks, okay, from number 41 to 50. So here 4 is at the tens place and 1 is at the ones place. So we can easily identify that tens place and ones place now. So the 4 is at the tens place, so we have to draw 4 group of 10, right? 10 10 ke 4 group. So it becomes 10 20 30 40. So it is 1 1. 4 tens, 2 ones is 42. 4 10, 3 ones is 43. 4 tens, 4 ones is 44. 4 tens, 5 ones is 45. 4 tens, 6 ones is 46. 4 tens, 7 ones is 47. 4 tens, 8 ones is 48. 4 tens, 9 ones is 49. And 4 tens, 1 10. Okay. Again, there are 5 group of 10. So, it's 50, 50. On the next page, you will get the blanks where you have to write down the number from 1 to 50. So, you can fill it by yourself, as we had already learned the number 1 to 100 in senior KG. So, you know that how to write down the number in the sequence. But make sure here you have to write down the number in the horizontal sequence. Okay, now look at the workbook where you will find out the numbers is bifurcate as the expanded form in the tens ones form as well as the spellings. The spelling is quite easy to remember, as we had already learned 1 to 20 spelling, right? So here first we will write down the spelling of the 20 and then spelling of 1. See, 21. See, यहाँ पर आपको 1 to 9 की स्पेलिंग लिखते जाना है और 20 की स्पेलिंग रिपीट करते जाना है. So that would be very easy. 21, 22. Isn't it easy? 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Only the new spelling that you have to remember is 30, which is also quite easy. तो देखो वो कैसे, जैसे हम 13 का स्पेलिंग याद रखते हैं, उसमें T के पीछे सिर्फ Y लगा देना है, then it becomes the spelling of 30. Okay, and here you have to repeat the spelling of the 20 every time as per the number आपको यहाँ पे चेंज करना है. If you say 4, then you have to write down the spelling of 4. If you say 5, then you have to write down the spelling of 5. This way, the spelling would be formed. The way you are speaking the number, the same way you write the spelling. First you say 20, then write down the spelling of 20, and then whatever the number you will speak. For example, 23. Then you will write down the number 3 in a word. Now next is trace and write the numbers from 21 to 30. So here you have to write down the number from 21 to 30, and that would be done by yourself. Again, read aloud and write. So this is the very important thing. This is called the expanded form of the number. So it is also very easy to remember. The way you are speaking the number, the same way you will write down the expanded form of the number. For example, here is a 21. So that means 20 plus 1. 22 means 20 plus 2. 23. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. The way you are speaking, the same way you have write down over here. 20 plus 5 is 25. 20 plus 6 is 26. 20 plus 7 is 27. 20 plus 8 is 28. 20 plus 9 is 29. And 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay. Now next, here there are some beads and you have to count and write the number in the given box. Here is a two groups of 10. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3? No. Here is a two groups of 10. So we can say 10, 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 20 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20 plus 9 is 29. 20 plus 8 is 28. 20 plus 1 is 21. 20 plus 6 is 26. So this way you will count and write down the number in the box. Now here the number is written as a tens and ones form. So this is also quite important for you to remember which place is tens and which place is ones in the number. So here 2 tens and 3 ones is 23. 2 tens, 5 ones is 25. 2 tens and 7 ones is 27. 2 tens and 9 ones is 29. The same thing you have to read aloud and write down in the given blanks. That would be done by yourself. Next is a matching, where 20 plus 7 is 27. 20 plus 1 is 21. 20 plus 5 is 25. 20 plus 8 is 28. 2 tens, 4 ones. Here is a 2 tens. 2 tens, 6 ones is 26. See, जो आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करी है वही चीज़ से हम मैचिंग कर रहे हैं. 3 tens means 30, 30. 2 tens and 2 ones is 22. So this way we will match the numbers. Now turn your page. Look at the page number 154, where you will find out this. Write the missing numbers. Here you have to write down the missing numbers from 1 to 21 to 30. So 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So this is the way you will write down the other two numbers. Okay, missing other two lines in which you have to write down the missing numbers. Fine. Again, write the answer in the given box. So 20 plus 4 is 24. This is the exercise based on this. So this thing should be in your mind. Then you can write down the answer fast. 20 plus 3 is 23. 20 plus 1 is 21. 20 plus 5 is 25. And 20 plus 7 is 27. Okay. Now you have to put a circle around the greater number. So that would be very easy to understand. How? See, यहाँ पर दो numbers हैं. Fine. First you will see the tens and ones place of both the numbers, right? See, the tens place are equal. So you will compare the ones place. 2 and 7. 7 is the bigger one. So you will write down over there. आप orally भी कर सकते हो. 26 and 22. So 6 and 2 you have speak, right? So 6 is a bigger one. So that whole number is bigger one. This is the way you can solve these things orally. 24, 28. So 8 is a bigger one, so you will write down. Because आगे तो हम 2020 ही बोल रहे, तो both are the similar. तो हमें क्या compare करना पड़ेगा? The word which we have speak afterwards. Okay, that is 4 and 8. 30 and 20. So 20 and 30, 21. So 20 is a smaller than the 30. So we will circle on 30. 26. Put a triangle around the smaller number. Now you have to think which number is the smaller. 22 and 26. So 2. The first two words are 20, 20. Both are similar. So you will compare the second one. 2 and 6. So 2 is a smaller one. 25, 23. So 23, 5 and 3. So 3 is a smaller one. 23, 29. Yes, 9 and 3. We are going to compare 9 and 3. So 3 is the smaller one. Then 30 and 24. So 24 is the smaller one. Now succeeding number. That means you have to write down after numbers. What is after 24? 25. What is after 27? 28. What is after 29? 30. 22, 23. So here you have to write down the preceding number. That means before number. What is before 26, 27, 27 or 25? It's 25. We have to write down the before number. 22, then 21, 24, 23, 27, 26. Write the middle number. Here we have to write down the middle number. So 24, 25, 26. You have to remember the number in a sequence like this. 28, 29, 30. 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28. Okay. This is it for this session. Next time we will complete the solution in the workbook. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.